Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a Adobe Photoshop clone editor, image editor directly in the browser using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This is the full directory structure of the project right here. It's building directly in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So the link is given, you can directly purchase the source code. So after you purchase it, you can simply run the application locally that I have done. Everything is customizable. So right here, you basically select whatever image that you want to edit. This is, you can draw anything with live preview. You can also zoom in. All the controls of Photoshop is there. You will see that you can change the color using this color picker. I've also deployed this as well. So if you're looking forward for trying out before purchasing it, check the full description link and I've given the link here. So right here you can try out. So you can adjust all the controls are there which you see in Photoshop. So all these tools are perfectly there. So this is a source code right here. It directly runs in the browser. This is a select tool. This is a clone tool. This is a crop tool. So we have this menu right here. You will see that you can export this to an image. So everything will be exported right here. And this is your menu right here, and you can even open a image file. So the link is given, guys. You can directly purchase it. Before purchasing, you can try out this. It's deployed here.